Hey guys, Carlos Sala here. Today I'm gonna talk about how one word can make a huge difference. So here we go. First of all, I'm gonna talk about how the headline, the hook, is the most important thing and how to use this in your benefit. So we already know that a headline, that a hook is the thing that makes people stop doing from what they're doing and clicking. The thing here is that in hooks and headlines, you have really few words. You need to put a really powerful word that is gonna chain everything. And I'm gonna tell you why and explain how this works. So don't worry. So let's say that I'm selling this pen. Okay? I could put a lot of words before the word pen. I'm not gonna say I'm selling a pen, right? I'm gonna give certain quality that makes it unique. So let's say that I could say trustworthy pen. I could say reliable pen, soft grip pen, extra fine pen, smooth writing pen. You see all these qualities that I'm giving to the pen, to the word pen. I'm putting qualities before that. And this is really important because it makes a huge difference of what is the unique selling proposition of your pen, right? So in this way, by giving this quality to a pen in the hook, you are hooking people. They have curiosity, they pay attention, right? Because let's say that the public is people that are looking for high quality pens, for pens that they can trust, so they when they are signing like a really important contract, they're not gonna get out of ink. So you could say trustworthy pen, and you'll be like, how a pen can be trustworthy, and then you click, and in this way you are not just giving what is your added value, what is your unique selling proposition, but you are priming people on what is going to happen. What is priming? Priming is making people ready for what's going on, for what's coming. It's like giving a short trailer of a movie so people kind of know what to expect and they also get excited about it, and then they start looking for that specific thing. So if you say trustworthy pen, people in the description, in the ad, in the sales page, they are gonna look for proving this that arouse their curiosity. They are gonna keep looking for it. So they're gonna be looking of how this pen can be trustworthy. So they are already hooked by the word, by the quality of the pen, of the added value, the thing that makes this pen unique. So they're gonna search for it. And in this way, they're gonna be like, okay, this pen is because of this. That's the really important part about doing the headline first, doing the hook first. What is your unique quality of your pen first, and then prime people so they look for that special quality in the description, in the sales page, and in order to convince them better. So also with these words, with these small words that you put right before, you can also give your marketing angle. What is your marketing angle? What is that you're selling that it's unique about this? What do you want to communicate? What is the pain that my avatar, that my audience has? So let's say that the main pain is to get out of ink in really important moments. So let's say that it's people that are entrepreneurs that are constantly doing business, and they want to have, their main pain is not having like a reliable pen, not having a pen that they can trust, that they can use whenever they need it the most. So your unique selling proposition, your marketing angle is have a pen that you can trust. So you put trustworthy pen and you do this. So you see, one word makes a huge difference and makes the whole process run smoothly and be more clear. That's the good thing about copy. You are like an architect of words. You need to see which words work the best, the power words that we saw in the last video, and then there's a whole process behind it. You prime them, you give your unique value, you give the unique marketing angle, you can give the main pain that they're gonna solve just by one word. So today, the main message that I want to give is the importance of one word and how can that make a huge difference between selling a lot and not selling, and be clear, because remember guys, clarity is power. So to finish up here, I'm gonna explain why and how can we give some human qualities to an object, like how a pen can be trustworthy, like a person can be trustworthy, right? But how a pen, why we give these human qualities to stuff. So basically, that's a thing of empathy, because as human beings, we have this sense of empathy that we feel the things that the other people feel, some of us, right? Feel, because in that way we can stay together, we can survive. Because if you're in the old days, in the primitive era, when people stay together, they survive. So we developed this thing called emotions, called empathy, so we can stay together and survive. So if we give some human qualities to an object, then it arises emotion. Remember that I told you that emotions are the things that make people actually buy, and then they try to rationalize it. But first, emotions is what creates motion, what creates an action. So we tend to give these human qualities to stuff so we can sell better. That's a really key principle in copywriting. So remember, words have a single word have a huge weight and make the whole difference. It makes the whole difference between a reliable pen, a trustworthy pen, a soft grip pen, a hustler's pen. You can give an infinite amount of words just in the headline, just starting out, and give the unique quality to the object you want. So that's the tip for today, guys. I hope you enjoy it. If you have any other questions, any other topics you want me to talk about, comment down below, and I'll see you.